Most people scrolling through Barndominium content online are getting lied to. They see gorgeous 3,000 square foot dream homes splashed across Instagram with captions saying, "Built for 80K," and they think, that could be me. Then they call a builder, and reality hits them like a freight train. The actual number is 3 times what they expected. But here is the thing nobody is telling you. There are real Barndominium sizes you can build for under $100,000 in 2026. They exist. I have the data, I have the breakdowns, and I am going to walk you through every single one of them today. Honestly, without the fluff, without the fantasy numbers, and without trying to sell you anything. Before we get into it, if you are serious about building affordable, no-nonsense housing, hit that subscribe button right now, because this channel covers real costs, real builds, and real alternatives that most housing channels are too afraid to show you. Now let's get into it. And stay until the very end, because number 7 on this list is the one that nobody talks about, and it might be the smartest move for anyone working with a tight budget in 2026. You do not want to miss that. The honest truth before we start, here is something that needs to be said before we go through this list. Building under 100K in 2026 is possible, but it requires 3 things: smart sizing, controlled finishes, and strategic labor decisions. The 2026 national average for a finished Barndominium sits around $230,000 total, with costs running $65 to $160 per square foot for standard builds. To get under 100K, you are working in the range of $65 to $85 per square foot, which is achievable only when you make smart choices at every step. Land is excluded from every number in this video. We are talking structure only: foundation, shell, framing, insulation, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and interior finishes. Also, these prices reflect mid-range rural builds. Urban or coastal locations will cost more. Always get local quotes. Now, let us count them down. 7 sizes, 7 real budgets. One of them is going to make you rethink everything you thought you knew about affordable homeownership. Let's go. Size number 1, the 20 by 30, 600 square feet. Budget range, $45,000 to $62,000. This is the entry point. 600 square feet sounds small until you see what smart designers have done with it. At $45,000 to $62,000 turnkey, a 20 by 30 Barndominium is the most achievable build on this list for a solo buyer or couple with 0 construction experience. What fits inside? A combined kitchen and living area, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a modest utility or storage space. Ceiling heights in Barndominiums run 12 to 16 feet, which makes 600 square feet feel considerably larger than the same footprint in a traditional home. That volume is a genuine game changer, psychologically and functionally. The cost breakdown at this size looks like this. Your shell kit runs approximately $10,000 to $14,000. Foundation and concrete slab adds $5,000 to $8,000. Interior framing, insulation, drywall, and finishes run $20,000 to $28,000. Electrical, plumbing, and HVAC combined add $10,000 to $14,000. Who is this for? Retirees downsizing aggressively, minimalists, people building a starter homestead structure, or anyone who wants to own their home outright without a mortgage. The honest limitation: storage is tight. You need to think like a boat designer. Every inch has a purpose. Built-in cabinetry and loft storage become essential. You might be wondering, can you actually go smaller and save more money? The answer involves a number that will surprise most people. We will get to it. Size number 2, the 24 by 30, 720 square feet. Budget range, $52,000 to $70,000. Adding just 4 feet of width to the previous size unlocks a layout that changes everything. A 720 square foot Barndominium at this price point can now fit a proper open concept living and kitchen area, 1 bedroom with a real closet, 1 full bathroom, and a small office nook or flex space. The shell kit for a 24 by 30 runs approximately $12,000 to $16,000. Foundation cost sits at $6,000 to $9,000 to $9,500. Interior build-out runs $24,000 to $32,000. Systems, electrical, plumbing, HVAC add $10,000 to $14,000. The per square foot cost at this size lands around $72 to $97, which puts a careful builder right inside the 100K ceiling with room for a contingency fund. Here is what makes the 24 by 30 special in 2026. Prefabricated kit packages for this exact size have become increasingly competitive. Multiple suppliers now offer this footprint, with factory-cut panels, pre-drilled frames, and detailed assembly instructions that a motivated homeowner can manage with a hired crew for a weekend. But wait until you see what the next size unlocks, because this is where the Barndominium starts feeling like a real home, not just a shelter. Size number 3, the 24 by 40, 960 square feet. Budget range $65,000 to $88,000. Here is where things start to open up. At 960 square feet, you can now build a legitimate 2-bedroom home with 2 bathrooms, a full kitchen, a dining area, and a laundry room. This is a home that a small family of 3 can live in comfortably without constant compromise. The shell kit for a 24 by 40 runs $14,000 to $19,000. Foundation adds $8,000 to $12,000. Interior build-out at this size runs $30,000 to $42,000. Systems add $13,000 to $17,000. Total realistic range, $65,000 to $88,000 with standard finishes. This size has become one of the most popular starter Barndominium configurations in 2026 for one specific reason. It sits right at the threshold of what many rural county building departments consider a permanent single-family dwelling. That matters for permitting, for appraisal, and eventually for resale. The key to staying under budget at this size is choosing a simple rectangular footprint with no complex roof lines, no add-on porches in the initial build, and standard-sized windows and doors rather than oversized architectural features. Every upgrade at this size costs more per dollar than you expect. Sizes 1 through 3 have been solid, but size number 4 is where a massive percentage of people blow their budget, not because the size is wrong, but because of one specific mistake almost every first-time builder makes. I'll tell you exactly what it is coming up. Size number 4, the 30 by 30, 900 square feet. Budget range $62,000 to $85,000. The 30 by 30 is interesting because the square footprint does something unique to Barndominium layouts. Instead of a long, narrow rectangle, you get a wider, more open space that allows for genuinely different floor plan options. You can center a great room in the middle, with rooms wrapping around it in a way that feels more like a traditional home. At 900 square feet, a 30 by 30 Barndominium fits 2 bedrooms, 1 or 2 bathrooms depending on your layout decisions, a full kitchen, and a living area with real space to breathe. Cost breakdown: shell kit $13,000 to $1,000 to $18,000. Foundation $7,500 to $11,000. Interior build-out $28,000 to $40,000. Systems $12,000 to $16,000. Total $60,000 to $85,000 for a standard rural build. Now, here is the mistake I mentioned. The number one budget killer at this size is scope creep during the interior phase. A builder starts with standard finishes, then upgrades the kitchen countertops, then adds a covered porch, then extends the master bathroom. Every individual decision feels small. Collectively, they push a $75,000 build to $115,000 before framing is complete. Set your finish-level decisions before construction starts, and commit to them in writing. The next size on this list breaks a mental barrier most people think is impossible at this budget, and the secret behind it has nothing to do with cutting corners. Size number 5, the 30 by 40, 1,200 square feet. Budget range $78,000 to $98,000. This is the size that surprises people the most. 1,200 square feet for under $100K in 2026 sounds like a fantasy, but it is achievable, and this is the most popular size on this list for buyers who have done their homework. A 30 by 40 Barndominium at 1,200 square feet can fit 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a full kitchen with an island, a dining area, and a living room. This is a complete family home. Some builders have even squeezed in a small utility room. The key to hitting this at under $100K is understanding the math. Shell kit for a 30 by 40 runs $18,000 to $26,000. Foundation adds $9,000 to $14,400. Interior build-out runs $38,000 to $42,000 at budget finish. Systems add $13,000 to $1,000 to $16,000. Total realistic range, $78,000 to $98,400 with controlled decisions. Where do builders save money at this size? Owner builder status in states that allow it. Handling your own painting. Flooring installation and cabinet installation significantly reduces labor costs. Sourcing materials through local building supply auctions and surplus sales further compresses the number. Several 30 by 40 builds across Texas, Arkansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma have come in under $90,000 in 2026 using these exact strategies. This is the size where Barndominium construction truly outperforms traditional home building. A conventional 1,200 square foot home in 2026 costs $150,000 to $300,000 depending on location. You are potentially saving $75,000 to $200,000 at the same footprint. We are over halfway through the list. But the next two sizes are where things get genuinely unconventional, and where the real opportunity hides for the right buyer. Size number 6, the 20 by 40 shell only, 800 square feet. Budget range $38,000 to $58,000. This one operates differently from every size before it. Size number 6 is for the buyer who wants maximum shelter security right now and is willing to finish the interior in phases over time. An 800 square foot shell-only build, meaning the exterior is weather-tight, insulated, and functional, but interior finishing happens gradually, can be completed for $38,000 to $58,000 in 2026. This is one of the most practical strategies for buyers who have limited capital but own or are purchasing rural land. Here is how it works. You build the shell, pour the slab, run rough electrical and plumbing, and spray foam the interior. You now have a structure that is weather-tight and livable at a basic level. Over the following months or years, you finish rooms one at a time as budget allows. Kitchen first, then bathroom, then bedrooms. This phased approach is how a significant number of successful owner-builder Barndominium projects are completed without ever taking on debt beyond the initial land and shell costs. And because you are the general contractor, you control every dollar. The honest limitation, this requires time, patience, and some construction knowledge. It is not for everyone, but for the right person, this strategy turns a $58,000 outlay today into a fully finished $90,000 home within 2 to 3 years, without a mortgage payment during the build process. We have one more size left. Size number 7 is the one I promised you at the beginning, the option nobody in the Barndominium space is talking about in 2026, and it might be the most financially intelligent build on this entire list. Here it comes. Size number 7, the dual-purpose 24 by 36, 864 square feet living plus shop combo, budget range $72,000 to $96,000. Here is the one that changes the conversation entirely. Instead of building a home and later building a separate garage or shop, the dual-purpose 24 by 36 splits the footprint into approximately 560 square feet of finished living space and 304 square feet of integrated shop or garage. Why does this matter? Because shop space costs $40 to $55 per square foot to finish versus $85 to $100 per square foot for living space. By intentionally splitting your footprint, you dramatically reduce your per square foot cost while gaining functional space that serves a real daily purpose, whether that is a workshop, a home business space, vehicle storage, or a hobby area. The cost breakdown for a 24 by 36 dual-purpose build runs like this. Shell kit, $13,500 to $17,000. Foundation with reinforced shop slab, $9,000 to $13,000. Living space interior at 560 square feet, $35,000 to $44,000. Shop finishing at 304 square feet, $12,000 to $16,000. Systems shared across both spaces, $11,000 to $14,000. Total, $80,500 to $104,000, with smart decisions keeping most builds well under $96,000. This is the configuration that makes the most practical sense for homesteaders, small business owners, mechanics, woodworkers, farmers, and anyone who needs both a home base and a working space. You share your utilities. You maintain one roof. You heat one structure. The long-term operational savings are substantial. And here is the part that most videos will never tell you. In rural markets across the United States, a Barndominium with an integrated shop consistently appraises higher than a comparable home without one. The shop adds functional value that appraisers recognize, especially in agricultural and rural zones, where working space is genuinely in demand. That is the 7. But before you close this video, there is one more thing you need to know that applies to every single size on this list. And missing it is the most expensive mistake a barndominium builder can make in 2026. The one thing that breaks every budget: utilities. Specifically, utility connections on raw land. Every cost in this video assumes your land already has access to power, water, and sewer or septic. If it does not, add the following to your numbers. Well drilling runs $5,000 to $15,000. A new septic system adds $10,000 to $20,000. Running power from the road to your building can add $5,000 to $25,000 depending on distance. That is a potential $60,000 in additions that people miss entirely when they budget from a YouTube video. Do your site assessment before you commit to any of these sizes and budgets. Here is the honest summary. Building a barndominium under $100,000 in 2026 is real. It requires choosing the right size, committing to a finish level and sticking with it, understanding your local permitting landscape, and making intelligent labor decisions about what you hire out versus what you handle yourself. The barndominium market has matured significantly. Kit quality is better, builder experience is wider, and design resources are more accessible than at any point in history. The window for genuinely affordable builds is open right now, but material costs, labor rates, and inflation are moving. Builders who act with a real plan in 2026 will be in homes that cost them a fraction of what traditional construction would have demanded. Which size on this list fits your situation? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this video gave you real, usable information, please share it with someone who is considering building their own home. Hit subscribe for more honest, detailed content on alternative housing, and I will see you in the next one.